Hey guys, I'm back. I'm not really feeling too well, so I'm not gonna really be talking through. Plus I'm running late and it's really early in the morning for me right now. It's like 8:38ish. So like my whole house is still sleeping and I don't want to be like loud and obnoxious and wake them up, especially since my brother's room is right over this wall that I film in front of and he is going to kill me. I'm heading out to brunch in the city, New York City, and I need to do my makeup. So here we are. I already did my face, I did my brows, I set my under eyes, so now it's just going to be doing my eye makeup. I'm going to be trying this new highlighter, the new Amrezy highlighter. So stay tuned, keep watching.
Floating through the clouds, a light emerges from beneath the sand. Distant miracles seem so far away. Across the universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's here. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's here. I know the reason she's so far away. How could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step to fall. How could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step. How I know the reason she's here.
so crazy. Guys, this highlighter, girl, she did not play. She came for people's heads with this highlighter. So initially I didn't purchase the highlighter. I waited a little bit. I had a hesitation because I didn't really know how it was gonna go. Every time I rush and buy something, it sucks. So I was like, let me wait, let me read some reviews, let me see how the beauty bloggers like it, and everyone loved it. So my friend actually purchased 2 and she gave me 1. The payoff is just insane. There's no fallout, there's no loose glitter in it, which I love. I hate when there's glitter in a highlighter and it just gets all over your face. And to stick with the theme of Amrezy, I'm gonna use her liquid lipstick, the Lipland liquid lipstick, and the color, I think this was 88. I'm gonna put this lipstick on, I'm gonna get my hair done, I'm gonna spray my face with some Urban Decay all-nighter spray because I need this makeup to last. It is windy AF out there. And then I think I'll be back to talk to you a little bit. Maybe? We'll see. Yeah. So we are en route to NYC, the city. We're going to brunch. Where are we going to brunch? Bastardo. Bastardo. It's a surprise, so I couldn't put anything on my IG about my face, or I couldn't even post a selfie because it's one of my best friend's 30th birthday, and she's like one of those like sneaky sneaksters. She sees like I'm wearing makeup, she will DM me like, where are you going?
On a Sunday.
On a Sunday. So I had to keep it under wraps. That's why you're gonna see in this vlog everything. So yeah, I'll vlog when I'm there.
From beneath the sand, things can take me across, seem so far away. Across the universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she stays. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she stays. I know the reason she's so far away.
Brunch is over. We're done. We've expired. That is why we're wearing sunglasses. Well, I am. Thanks so much for watching. Coming along with me and my friends to brunch.
Yo, if you put me on, I have a beard channel that's not up yet, but it will be.
He'll be having a beard channel. It's about your beard.
Yes.
Worm vlogs.
Worm vlogs will be on YouTube.
Yes.
When it happens, I don't know. Like I said, thanks so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Bye.